Introducing Pepsi Mango.
The bacon double stack is back in the biggie bag.
All these come pre.
How about we start with your complete and total surrender?
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Missouri Emergency Management Agency. A very dangerous and life-threatening situation is ongoing across the Ozarks on this, what is supposed to be a day of celebration. Reports are coming in from emergency officials of a mysterious event simultaneously occurring at all major fireworks displays in the region. What they describe is strange, but true, so please listen carefully to ensure your survival. During these fireworks displays, the fireworks behave normally until they explode. Then they are observed, no matter the color of the firework, to emit a green thick smoky substance of unknown composition that is carried by the wind, often towards onlookers, and in turn having multiple effects. Around the elderly, it turns them to stone, petrifying them within seconds before being kicked and sent to pieces by the perpetrator, whom will be described shortly. When in contact with anyone 50 or younger, it transforms them into what can best be described as an alien equine-like creature of around 20 to 30 years old, before they rapidly turn hostile towards survivors and attacking them with magic beams emitted from their unicorn-like horns. It is also important to note that the original perpetrator and her empirical force of military members are hunting down and converting survivors. In addition, this event is connected to similar equestrian transformations occurring in the Piedmont of North Carolina and in Independence, Iowa. The perpetrator in charge of the events in the Ozarks has the following appearance.
Me among the mighty, you caged at my command.
And more than you'll ever be.